Okay, this is the Moretti, M-O-R-E-T-T-I portable air conditioner. Something like 14,000 BTUs. Okay, this is how I have it venting outside. Right here. Get up on the bed and zoom in on this here. Okay. And then if you take that off, it's got the vent like that. Okay, and then down here in the back, it's vented like that. Okay. Okay, let's get in the light. This right here is your intake. Yeah, let me see if I can get that off. There you go. There's your intake, and it looks good and clean. It was like that when I got it. And there's the filter. Okay. So, and this is also intake down here, and then your output. And then down on the bottom is a little drip thing. It's hard to see. And that's about it. Okay, turn it off.